Hello everyone, welcome back to Single English. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you the difference between make and become. I hope you know make and become when we use these kind of verbs. Okay, so in this video, I will give you a specific difference between make and become. Okay, before starting this lesson, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. First of all, guys, you need to understand what's the importance of this lesson. Okay, so importance means make and become. These are verbs. Okay, so most of time we are using these kind of verbs. Okay, so this is very difficult situation. Okay, so when make and become when we use. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you a specific difference. So first of all, let's see make. Okay, make meaning. First of all, let's see meaning of make. Meaning means to create, produce, causing something to happen. Okay, so meaning means these are three meaning of make here. First of all, to create something, to produce something, and cause something to happen. Okay, these are three meaning of make here. Okay, next uses. Okay, make is a active verb that indicates doing or causing something. It often involves effort or intention. Okay, guys, so here first of all you need to understand meaning of make. First, to create something, to produce something, and cause something to happen. Next, uses. If I talk about uses, so make is an active verb that indicates doing or causing something. Okay, it often involves efforts or intention. This is very important thing about make. Let's understand meaning or uses with examples. Okay, so our first example is here. She made a cake for party. She made a cake for the party. Okay, so here made is a second form of make. Second form of make. Okay, make, made, first form, second form. So made is a second form of make. So she made a cake for the party. Here make is a sense of created. Okay, so here cake created. Okay, so to create something. Okay, next, this decision will make him happy. This decision will make him happy. So here make use as a sense of to cause to be something. Next example here, hard work can make big a difference. Hard work can make a big difference. Here also cause or bring about. So guys, you understand when do we use make. Okay, so make first of all for to create something, to produce something, and cause something to happen. Here example, made a cake, something created. Decision, this decision will make him happy causes to be happy. Okay, cause to be happy. Next, hard work can make big difference. Here also make, cause or bring about. Okay, so guys, you understand when do we use make. Okay, so next let's see become. Here become is a verb. Okay, so first of all let's see meaning of become. Here, to change or transform. To change or transform into something. Okay, to change or transform into something. Okay, to grow. Next, to grow into a state or condition. To grow into a state or condition. Okay, here also to, meaning here first to change or transform into something, next to grow into state or condition. Next, okay, first use is to transform or change into something, next to grow into a state or condition. Okay, uses become is used to indicate a transition or transformation, often describing a natural or gradual process. Okay, if I talk about uses of become, okay, become is used to indicate a transition or transformation, often describing a natural or gradual process. Okay, let's see example. First example here, he became, became is a second form of become. When do we use second form of verb? Past simple tense. In past simple tense we have to use first second form of verb. Okay, so he became a doctor after years of study. Okay, he became a doctor after years of study. Here changed into. Okay, so here sense of changed into. So here he became a doctor after years of study. So here became a sense of changed into. Okay, next example here, it's getting cold, summer is becoming autumn. Okay, it's getting cold, summer is becoming autumn. Here also becoming the sense of changing into. Next, over time she became more confidence. Over time she became more confident. Here also grew into. So guys, like transition uses, if I talk about uses, like in transaction or transformation, here also transformation. She became more confidence, grew into. Okay, so here to change or transform into something or to grew into a state or condition. So here you easily understand the use of become. Okay, so you easily understand this is a specific rule for becoming. Okay, so let's see something specific rules of combining these verbs. Okay, here key difference. If I talk about key difference between make and become, so make focuses on act of creating or causing something. Okay, make focuses on the act of creating or causing something. But if I talk about becoming focus on the process of transforming into a state or but if I talk about become focus on the process of transforming into a state or condition. Okay, become focuses on the process of transforming into a state or condition. Okay, next, here this is very important difference. You have to understand, you have to remember this difference. Okay, so make focuses on the act of creating or causing something, and become focuses on the process of transforming into a state or condition. Okay, comparison and contest. Make hard work will make you successful. Hard work will make you successful. Okay, so here make Make for cause success to happen to you. Make for cause success to happen to you. Okay. Become. If I talk about become with hard work, you will become successful. With hard work, you will become successful. Okay. So here, transformation into a successful person. For transformation, we have to use become. To create something or causing something, have to use make. Okay. So guys, you understand when do we use make or when do we use become? Okay. So make for causing something or act of creating, and if I talk about become for the process of transforming into a state or condition. Here, transformation. For transformation, we have to use become, or causing something or to create something, you have to use make. Okay. So guys, you understand? If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. If you like this information, then like, share the video, and also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.